In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts for the transform properties. The transform properties include anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. To access the transform properties for any layer, just twirl down the layer and you'll see transform. Twirl down that and you'll see the 5 main transform properties. The keyboard shortcut for anchor point is A. The keyboard shortcut for position is P. The keyboard shortcut for scale is S. The keyboard shortcut for rotation is R. And the keyboard shortcut for opacity is T, so opacity is T for anchor point, P for position, S for scale, R for rotation, and T for rotation. For opacity, if you want to see more than one transform property at a time, hold the Shift key. So Shift P will bring up position, Shift S will add scale, Shift R will add rotation, and Shift will add opacity. If you do not hold the Shift key, you'll only get one at a time. If you just want to quickly reset the transform properties so you can see all 5 of them without having to hold the Shift key and go to them one by one, all you need to do is twirl close the layer and twirl it back open, and you will see all 5 transform properties. And the bonus tip, if you want to see the transform properties for all of the layers in the composition, just deselect all the layers, so none of the layers are selected, and you can cycle through the keyboard shortcut. So, for anchor point, we'll pull up all of the anchor points. If you hold the Shift key, press Shift P, that will pull up the position for all of the layers. Shift S, Shift R, Shift T, and of course you can also just do them one by one. So you can do the anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and T for opacity.